Kriss Kyle, and I'm a professional bike rider. Favourite thing about riding bikes is just the freedom of, there's no rules in it, especially it's BMX freestyle and like free ride mountain biking, so there's no rules at all, no one telling you can't do this, can't do that trick. I just get to express myself and kind of how I feel, and I think of a trick and yeah, just go ahead and do it.
I'm not waiting at the door. I'm not sleeping in my bed at night.
I've been riding BMX for like 19 years now, and I'm still not bored of it at all. Like, I still feel like that kind of 14-year-old kid. I still get the same buzz every day when I get on my bike. Filming for me, it's something that I've always been dead passionate about, even since I was a kid, and it's kind of the path that I would say I've went towards with riding. And it's just, I guess you try something for like 200 or sometimes 500 times, and you're bleeding from like everywhere, sweat, you've got nothing left. Then you finally land it and you watch a clip back and it's all worth it. I guess having a van for me, it's life-changing because it wouldn't be possible without it. It's just so good. You can throw your mates and all the bikes in it, dead easy. It looks amazing as well. It doesn't look like your average van. Drives incredible, and for me, it ticks every single box. But yeah, turning up at the skate park, it's just, I still love it every single day. I get such a buzz to get in there and start rolling around it. And it's kind of figuring out lines, what tricks I'm going to do, and it's like one massive kind of jigsaw that I'm kind of putting together. I love it.